I spent less than $10 to make a meal that tastes like 100. Can we actually turn these basic cans of beans into a gourmet 5-star meal using only our Instant Pot and Immersion blender? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nom on a Budget. Today, we're making a roasted garlic and white bean potage, and it's honestly to die for. It's creamy, it's dreamy, and since we're making it in the pressure cooker, it's basically set it and forget it magic. Get those ingredients ready because we're diving into this one. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Hit saute mode. Simple enough, right? Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, the hardest part of the whole recipe. We wait a minute for it to heat up. Don't walk away, don't check your phone, just watch that oil get nice and glossy. This is the calm before the delicious garlicky storm. In goes 1 diced yellow onion. Get it all in there. Now, if you're crying, it's either from the onion or you're beginning to realize how amazing this kitchen is about to smell. Time for the green stuff. Toss in 3 chopped celery ribs and give it a thorough stir. We're gonna get these veggies sweating it out together for about 5 minutes to build that flavor base. Once they're nice and soft, go ahead and turn off saute mode. Trust me, the smell in your kitchen right now is officially a public health hazard because it's too good. Now for the star of the show, we're adding 3 cans of cannellini beans. Make sure you drain and rinse them first. We want the beans, not that starchy canned juice. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Don't skip this, guys. Thyme adds a perfect earthy depth that makes our potage taste like it's been simmering all day in a French bistro. Time for salt. We're adding 1 teaspoon. Just drop it right in so we can start melting it into that beautiful base. Next up, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just enough to give it a little warmth and a nice little subtle bite in the background. Toss it right in. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Just a tiny pinch to keep things interesting. In they go. And now, time for the main event of the recipe. 2 whole heads of roasted garlic. Yes, I roasted them myself ahead of time because we don't take shortcuts with flavor. Drop those sweet caramelized beauties right into the pot. Now, we're pouring in 4 cups of chicken stock. And listen to me, use stock, not broth. Stock is made from bones, which means it's packed with gelatin that gives our potage that rich, velvety body. Broth is just flavored water, and your garlic deserves better than that. Alright, time to lock it down. Secure that lid and make sure the valve is set to sealing. And we're pressure cooking on high for exactly 10 minutes. See you on the flip side. When that timer beeps, do not touch that valve. Let it naturally release pressure for 10 minutes to keep all that flavor trapped inside. After 10 minutes, go ahead and flip the switch and do a manual release of whatever pressure is left. Grab that immersion blender because we're blending everything up to a silky, smooth perfection. Look at that texture changing. And hey, if you don't have a stick blender, a regular blender gets the job done just as well. Just get it nice and creamy. Last step, in goes 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Grab that spoon and give everything one final thorough mix. That lemon juice ties all those earthy, savory elements perfectly together. Look at how velvety that is, it's officially ready for the bowl. Don't touch that dial because in the next section, I'm digging in for an official taste test. I'm also putting the full list of written ingredients and detailed step-by-step instructions on screen so you can make this in your own kitchen. If you want to see more easy, high-flavor recipes like this, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stick around, the best bite is coming right up. Alright, let's give it a taste. I got it right here. Oh my gosh, guys, you have no idea. That roasted garlic, it's so mellow and sweet. And the texture from those beans, it's like velvet. It tastes like there's a quart of heavy cream in here, but we all know the truth. It's just healthy, budget-friendly magic. Seriously, if you have an immersion blender sitting in your drawer, go get it and make this one now. It's a total game changer. If you love this recipe and you want to see more, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out so much and it ensures you never miss a delicious bite. Thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.